Hey Carol, my name is Nasos Georgalis and I work with Epilisis Solutions in Charlotte. We are a digital marketing agency, and as I told you over the phone, by the way, thank you very much for confirming your email with me. We are working with landscaping material companies all over the country, and I was doing some research in your area when I came across your company. I figured I'd give you guys this quick little video to give you 3 tips on how you can beat your competition online. I'll show you some of the things that I can see it's working well for your competition, because you don't have a website, so we cannot assess your online presence. The only thing that I can see that you have is a Google My Business listing over here. And I don't see a website, I don't see Facebook, I don't see anything else. I only see that listing and a 5-star review. The only way that I can show you what you can do online is by assessing your competition. By assessing your competition, you can see what you can do and how you can perform better. So I don't want to waste your time. I don't want to waste my time either. So if by the end of this video you like what you hear and you'd like to know more about how we can help you grow your business and help you bring on new customers, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Take the tips that I've given you today and use them for your company and see how they work out for you. The only thing I'm asking from you, Carol, is to give me some feedback on this video once you're done. So let's get started. The 3 different topics we are going to cover today is content, citations, and backlinks. Starting with the content. If we go to the number 1 ranked competitor that you have in the area, and we see his website, that's his front page, the front page of his website. Yeah, even the pictures that are saved here are saved with a name, so that is also considered to be content, which is readable by the search engines. Content in our front page should be typically around 1500 words, and although this might sound a bit wordy, it is what your front page should have in terms of word count in order to allow you to work in some keywords or key phrases that people are going to be using to search your business or search for someone that offers your services. So the first tip that I want to give you here is that you have to make sure when you build your website that you have more relevant keyword-rich content that's unique on your front page, so that the search engines can help get your company ranked as high as possible. Unfortunately, content is something that web designers overlook, but as we said earlier, a website needs nice and unique content that includes keywords in order to rank higher. But in order for you to do so, you don't mind that your competition doesn't really use so much content in the front page. The second thing that I want to go over with you is citations. And when we do a search with about landscape supply in Graham, NC, what we see is the map underneath the query section, and there we see 3 companies. If we want to see more, we have to click here, and then we will see some more results. You are at number 7, if I'm not mistaken, here. So ideally, we need to be somewhere where we can be seen by our audience. Here maybe we did the map a little bit, and we need to close it down a bit. So if we go here, we try to see where you are. You see, as you go down, it's more and more difficult for the customer to understand where you are, who you are, and where you are ranking at. So this gives us Charlotte results. If we do here, I'm sorry for that, it was showing us Charlotte for a reason. So if we go here, we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are in the 6th place. Ideally, though, we need to be up here in the first 3 places. In order for us to rank high in the map section, we need citations. And naturally, you will ask yourself, what are citations and how do I get them, right? Well, a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed into different directories all throughout the internet. A good way to describe what a directory is, for example, Facebook or Yellow Pages or Yelp, or any of those online sources or websites that give business owners the opportunity to list their business information and to provide them with another way of attracting new customers. So what would be tip number 2 here is that just with citations, in order for us to beat out your competition, you just need to go out there and find all the different directories that your competition is listed in, and then you want to try to get in those same directories, because if it works for them, it's going to work for you. However, you don't want to just stop there. In order for you to really beat out your competition, you will need to make sure that you're doing what they're doing and then adding a little bit more. And so that's kind of what matters most as how to rank your company here in the map section. Now, the third thing that I want to go over with you is backlinks. And backlinks have to do with the organic section found underneath the maps over here. So that's where the organic section starts. And basically what a backlink is just a website that is sending a link back to your page. And so that could be, for instance, a local news company that did a story on you, and then they linked the story back to your website to give the readers an opportunity to go check out your business online and to possibly book services with you. So using a tool that we call Ahrefs, for which as an agency we pay a lot of money every month, we get a good idea of what's working well for this guy. And you can get an idea of what you will do and how much traffic you would attract when you get a website. So this is not 100% accurate, but it shows that this guy has 28 referring domains that giving him 73 backlinks. And if we click on the backlinks, you will see the different websites that are currently linking to his website, which we see the directories we see over here and other directories. And we see generally all these backlinks that he has. In order to truly beat out your competition, you want to make sure that you are getting in as many places as your competition is, and then get into some places that they are not, so that you are completely overtaking them. So you are checking the referring domains they have, you check the backlinks they have, and just like with citations, with the backlinks, you want to make sure that you are in more places than the others. These referring domains and backlinks give him 169 keywords. And when we click here, we see he's ranking to position number 1 for quite few of them. So, and also those keywords are bringing him approximately, I think, 363. It was organic, yes, 363 on average, people on average on his website every month. So now, like I said, this is not 100% accurate, but it does give us an idea of what's working for him and what can work for you. So currently, the most accurate and up-to-date information for him is going to come directly from his Google Analytics, but that's a good thing. And the magic with this program and other programs that exist out there is that it gives us all this information about other websites. So if we click here as we did earlier, and we can check and see the keywords that he's ranking, and these are the kind of words that you would like to go after. And it looks like this guy is doing a lot of mods. So you now know, and you will know in the future, anytime you decide to build a website, that in order to what you need to do in order to beat them out, which is, as I said, you just gotta go out there and get in more places than your competition in order to truly beat them out online. So that's all I got for you today. Hopefully this information has been valuable for you. Like I said, if you'd like to know more about how PLC Solutions can help grow your business and bring you guys some more new customers, reach out to me and we can chat. If not, no big deal. Enjoy the free tips that I've given you. Start building a website. It will be massive, very important for your business. You will see how much it will change the way you conduct business. Even if it's not through us and it's from someone else, I'm telling you, do it and you will see the effects straight away in your company and the way that you operate. So again, thank you very much for watching this video, and hope to hear from you soon. Thank you, Carroll. Bye-bye.